Alrighty, we are doing the 2xFLOUR with the Winchester Hog Specials and 7.62 by 3.9. As you can see, Hog Special. And we're gonna just, that's the got the two boards with the flour and doing the catch, and we're gonna see what we got. So y'all stick around. Alright, got the bullet on the ground. It's a little toasty. And went in the flour. Not too big of a hole coming out this time. Going in, blowing out. Let me show you all the water jug. As you see, it just hit. Didn't really do nothing spectacular, just put a dent in it. Reason why I'm showing you all this now is I'm reusing it for the next one. Get it all cleaned up. Little shine going on it. Here we go. Ready for the next one. You didn't win, buddy. Alright, here we go. Got the 2xFLOUR 7.62 by 3.9. Got the flour in, had these two boards back. This is going in this way, and then it's going in the second board, like so. That is definitely a nice looking hole. Going in and out. There you are. From the rim. 0.93 rim to rim, and then going in. And I was actually worried about the exit more than it. So it really didn't blow out. What it did was blow the board apart. You can tell, blew the board apart and basically fell on the ground right there. So we don't really technically have an exit wound. We do have an entry, and it just split. So 2xFLOUR. This is definitely a hard strength test to do, because every bullet I've been trying, I mean, even the 45-70 doesn't, after it expands a whole lot with the trying to penetrate the wood. We got a drop coming in. So here's our expansion. We got 0.48. Again, 0.45, so around 4.5, 4.8 on a 0.3 bullet. Not too bad. 4.8. Again, that's hitting the flour, expanding, and then shaving off. Let's see how much weight we got shaved off of this 123 grain bullet. Out of 123 grains, we've got 109.2, 0.4 grains left. So 109, that is really good. That is a lot of retention for hitting that and then knocking the piss out of that wood. So 7.62 by 3.9, the Hog Specials. Definitely a bullet if you're using to hunt, something to look at right there.